Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. OpenShot package is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it via importing PPA repo by running the following command. Import the GPG key using the following command. Run the next command to reflect on PPA. Install OpenShot by running the next command. You can search on the system search bar by typing OpenShot or by icon. OpenShot will be launched. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.